In this video, I'm going to be replacing the dashboard on my fishing boat. As you can see, it's gotten faded and there's spots that were getting rotten, so I figured it'd be a good time to make an improvement. For the dashboard, I had a piece of white oak that was a perfect size for this. White oak weathers very well, and I think it's going to look a lot better. Now I'm going to use the old dashboard as a template and get everything marked out and cut the size. I found a graphic I liked on Etsy and decided to laser that into that open space on the left hand side. For the finish, I'm going to use a wipe-on poly. I know that it's a boat and it's going to have some exposure to the elements, but not a lot. I cover my boat, and typically it's not going to get rained on or have a lot of exposure. I probably would have went with something with a UV blocker, but I'm going to see how this goes, and if I have to just use a little touch-up every year, it's not going to be a big deal. If I see that it's going to be weathering too much, I'll probably take it off and use something that's a little bit more weather resistant. Now, I kind of didn't believe the torch trick when it comes to plastic when it's weathered. I was actually surprised how well this made the steering wheel kind of come back to life. It only goes about 80-90% back to original, but it looks a lot better than it did before, just faded out. And here's everything assembled. Big improvement from what it was before. New switch panels work really good. And overall looks, a big improvement.